everyone, it is Danielle from Cool Science Experiments headquarters. And today we're going to do an experiment with 3 jars of water. And we're going to put a couple drops of food coloring in each jar. And we're going to see how the food coloring behaves a little differently in the jar of cold water, in the jar of room temperature water, in the jar of hot water. Are you ready? Let's get started. To begin the experiment, you're going to need 3 jars of water. The first jar is cold water, the second jar contains room temperature water, and the third jar contains hot water. We're going to put a couple drops of food coloring in each jar, and we're going to see how it behaves differently. As you can see, the food coloring in the hot water jar, mixed very quickly, whereas the food coloring that was placed in the cold water jar is mixing very slowly. You could tell immediately that the food coloring behaved much differently based on the temperature of the water that it was placed in. When it was dropped into the jar with the hot water, it mixed with the water almost immediately. When it was placed in the jar with the room temperature water, it slowly started to mix with the water. And when placed in the jar with the really cold water, it really only mixed a little bit. So can you tell me why? Why does it matter what the temperature of the water is? And why does the food color behave differently based on the temperature of the water? Leave a comment below to submit your guess, and then visit CoolScienceExperimentsHeadquarters.com to find out the answer. You'll be able to print out instructions for this experiment, and you'll find many more that you can do at home too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.